Alright, now that we're done with our progress bar, it's time to go ahead and merge our branch into master, update production, and push our branch up to GitHub. So we'll go ahead and we'll get started by running a git status. And we're clean, we're good. We can see, if we look in Dreamweaver, we can go and see that we are in our branch. Actually, here we go. And we can see that we're in our 401-1, so we verified that. So let's go ahead and let's do a push to GitHub. So we'll put GitHub up in the background so we can actually see when it hits there, we'll see it actually update over there. We'll do a git push origin. And of course, we're going to push our branch, not master, the branch that we're working on. We'll hit enter, username, password, and we'll go ahead and we'll push that up. And we should see it pop up back here. Looks like we had a successful push. And there we see it. We see that it's pushed up. We can see our branch is in there now. See our comments, our changes, things like that. And so at that point, we're good. We have our branch up to GitHub. Let's go ahead and let's peek at our GitHub pages. And that's currently where our GitHub pages are. And let's go check localhost real quick. We empty cache. We can see that's where we are, and we can see that that's going to change because now we're going to go and we're going to check out master. And the minute we check out master, of course, our localhost changes back to the original. Look in Dreamweaver, we're on master. So now at this point, we checked out master, we're going to merge our branch in. So git, we want git to do something, merge, and we're going to tell it that we want the 401-1 branch, which is the branch that we were working on. We'll hit enter. Merge successfully, 20 changes in app, 5 changes in index.html. If we go back out to localhost, it should reflect our new changes, which it does. Awesome. So at this point, we want to go ahead and go into Dreamweaver, open up our readme file, and we want to add in there just basically what we did. This is our manifest. A manifest is a record of the changes that we've completed, and so that somebody has a reference that they can just quickly look at and see what changed when. We can say that we added bootstrap to the index.html. We can say that we added a DOM injection. Of the progress bar in the app.js, and we can say we created the display PB function in the app.js as well. So we'll go ahead and we'll save that, close that file out, and we want to go back to Git and do our commit and merge. Our commit, and so we'll run a status, and we can see the README file was updated. So we'll go ahead and do an add, and then for consistency's sake, I'll just find my normal merge message that I put in when I do a merge. And so we'll go ahead and commit that change to the readme file. At this point, we'll go ahead and we'll push our master to GitHub. So git push origin master, because we're pushing our master branch up. We should be able to go out here now. Brian R. Savage, password. And we have a push. It's a successful push. So if we go out to GitHub, we should see our push, our merge to master, 401 branch merge to master. If we go to our GitHub pages and do a refresh, at this point we should see. Now GitHub can get a little funny, and the reason that that's happening is because it's still loading and processing what we did there, but obviously we are fine. If we go look at localhost, we're good. And at this point, we want to go ahead and update production. The way we're going to do that is go out to Dreamweaver, highlight the root of our site, look at files, hit async, we'll preview it. We can see we had, and these are all 3 files that have changed. Before we do that, let's go peek one more time at our production site. And we see what we have there. So we're going to say, okay, push the files up. Let's go validate production. And we can see it's all working as expected. One last check we might do is just go ahead and call on the app data object. And we can see that. And we know it's working as well by looking up here. And that's our validation to production. So now we've merged in 401-1 and we are good to go. See you in the next video.